How to enable or disable macros in PowerPoint. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your PowerPoint. After that, open a presentation, then go to File. Now go to Options. Then go to Advanced and then go to Trust Center. After that, go to Trust Center Settings. Now, if you want to enable all macros, here is the option. So as you can see, this is not recommended and potentially dangerous. So it is recommended to disable all macros with or without notification and done. So that's how you do it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.